Have you ever wondered what your aura looks like? The idea of seeing your own energy field can be both fascinating and enlightening. Today, we'll explore this intriguing topic and guide you through the steps to see your aura. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to observe your own aura and gain a deeper understanding of your personal energy. What exactly is an aura? In simple terms, an aura is a subtle energy field that surrounds every living being. This energy field is believed to reflect our physical, emotional, and spiritual states. It's often depicted as a colorful halo or glow surrounding the body. Many spiritual traditions and cultures throughout history have recognized and described auras, attributing various meanings and significance to them. The colors of an aura are thought to correspond to different aspects of our being. For instance, a vibrant blue aura might indicate a calm and communicative nature, while a bright yellow aura could suggest joy and intellectual energy. Understanding these colors and their meanings can offer insights into our inner world and help us navigate our lives with greater awareness. While the concept of auras is deeply rooted in spiritual traditions, there's also a scientific perspective that supports the existence of these energy fields. Some researchers have studied biofields, which are energy fields that surround and permeate living organisms. These biofields are thought to play a role in our health and well-being. One scientific approach to studying auras involves Kirlian photography, a technique that captures the electrical coronal discharge of an object. While Kirlian photography doesn't provide a definitive proof of auras, it does suggest that living organisms emit an energy field that can be visually captured. This scientific curiosity reinforces the idea that there's more to our existence than what meets the eye. Before you begin the practice of seeing your aura, it's important to create a conducive environment. Find a quiet, calm space where you won't be disturbed. This will help you focus and tune into your energy field more effectively. Dim lighting can be particularly helpful, as it reduces visual distractions and allows you to see subtle energy changes more clearly. Make sure you're comfortable and relaxed. Sit or stand in a position that feels natural to you. It's essential to be in a peaceful state of mind, free from stress or tension. Take a few moments to settle into your space, letting go of any distractions or worries. To enhance your ability to see your aura, it's beneficial to practice meditation and focus. Start with a simple meditation technique to calm your mind and center yourself. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Inhale deeply, hold for a moment, and then exhale slowly. Repeat this process several times until you feel a sense of calm and clarity. Focus on your breathing, allowing each inhale and exhale to bring you deeper into a state of relaxation. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. This practice helps to quiet the mind and prepares you to tune into your subtle energy field. Now that you're in a relaxed state, it's time to begin visualizing your energy. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you connect with your aura. Imagine a soft, glowing light surrounding your body. This light represents your aura. Visualize it as a radiant field of energy that extends a few inches to a few feet around you. As you visualize this energy, try to sense its presence, feel its warmth and vibrancy. Allow yourself to become more aware of this subtle energy field. Remember, this is a gentle and patient process. Don't rush or force anything. Simply observe and feel. One of the most effective methods for seeing your aura is using a mirror. Find a mirror that allows you to see your entire upper body. Stand or sit comfortably in front of it. Ensure the lighting is dim but not too dark. Natural light works best, but a softly lit room can also be effective. Look at your reflection in the mirror and focus on the area around your head and shoulders. Try to soften your gaze, allowing your eyes to relax. Instead of staring directly at your reflection, look slightly past it. This technique helps you to see the subtle glow of your aura without getting distracted by your physical form. As you maintain this soft focus, you might start to notice a faint colored outline around your body. This is your aura. It might appear as a thin line or a broader glow. Pay attention to the colors you see and their intensity. Remember, it takes practice and patience, so don't be discouraged if you don't see it immediately. Another simple yet effective method to see your aura involves using your hands. Find a quiet space and sit comfortably. Hold your hands in front of you with your palms facing each other, about 6 to 8 inches apart. Focus on the space between your hands. Slowly move your hands closer together and then apart, as if you were compressing and expanding an invisible ball of energy. As you do this, try to feel the subtle energy between your palms. This sensation might feel like warmth, tingling, or a gentle pressure. Now look at the space between your hands with a soft gaze. You might start to see a faint glow or light connecting your palms. This is a part of your aura. With practice, you'll become more adept at seeing and sensing this energy field. Seeing your aura is just the beginning. Interpreting the colors you observe can provide valuable insights into your physical, emotional, and spiritual state. Each color has its own significance and can offer clues about your inner world. For instance, a red aura often signifies strength, passion, and vitality. It's associated with a strong physical presence and an active lifestyle. On the other hand, a blue aura is linked to calmness, communication, and spiritual depth. It reflects a peaceful and thoughtful nature. Green auras are often connected to healing, growth, and compassion. People with green auras tend to be nurturing and empathetic. Yellow auras are linked to joy, creativity, and intellectual energy. They indicate a bright and optimistic personality. As you observe the colors in your aura, reflect on what they might mean for you. Consider how these colors align with your current state of mind, emotions, and physical well-being. This self-reflection can lead to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Seeing and understanding your aura is a skill that develops over time. Like any other practice, it requires consistency and patience. Set aside time each day to practice the techniques we've discussed. Whether it's meditating, using the mirror technique, or working with your hands, regular practice will enhance your ability to see and interpret your aura. Be patient with yourself. Some days you might see your aura more clearly than others. That's perfectly normal. The key is to stay committed and open to the experience. Over time, you'll find that your ability to see and understand your aura improves, leading to deeper insights and a stronger connection with your energy field. As you continue to explore the world of auras, you might find yourself wanting to learn more. There are many resources available that can deepen your understanding of auras and energy fields. Books, online courses, and workshops can provide valuable information and techniques. Consider keeping a journal of your experiences. Note the colors you observe, the sensations you feel, and any insights you gain. This practice can help you track your progress and reflect on your journey. Engage with others who share your interest in auras. Online communities and local groups can offer support, guidance, and shared experiences. By connecting with like-minded individuals, you'll find inspiration and encouragement to continue exploring your spiritual growth. Seeing your aura is a powerful way to connect with your personal energy and gain insights into your physical, emotional, and spiritual state. By following the techniques we've discussed and practicing regularly, you'll develop the ability to see and understand your aura. Remember, this is a journey of self-discovery and growth. Be patient, stay committed, and allow yourself to explore the deeper aspects of your being. Your aura is a reflection of your inner world, and by understanding it, you can enhance your overall well-being and spiritual awareness. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal and spiritual development. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable information and inspiration. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.